Good morning, friends. The sun is already out. It's early morning. I am ready to get a new experience. Today we are going southwest of Toronto. It's about 1.5 hours at a place called Canadian Raptor Conservancy. It's all about birds of prey. Stay with me and we will do it together. Okay guys, I have pulled in. It looks like a very nice place, very beautiful farm, and we're gonna go and explore it. For now, before session, we have a couple of minutes, so it's gonna be lots of pictures today. I'm gonna practice my birds photography mostly, but in between of the photography sessions I will pop up with some videos. Okay, let's move on. Just want to mention that you have to register for this session online, and it's $65 plus tax when you arrive here. This place is all about birds of prey. They have different kind of birds of prey here, and it's a farmhouse. It's a private, so people are taking care of these birds. Some of them are in need of medical help and stuff, and they're doing a lot of shows. During pandemic, it's just a private session for photography, but hopefully very soon it's going to be open up for the public and anybody can come. They also have school programs and kids programs here.
You see his ear tufts now are sticking up a little bit.
Is he angry or something?
No, just aware, alert. So this, like the theory goes with the snowy owl, so the great horned owl and this bird are in the exact same family. And this is probably an evolutionary link to the great horned owl, meaning this bird moved into the Arctic and had to adapt a little bit to the Arctic and out of the great horned owl. There are people that's all they do is build, make hoods. That's their entire living. Exactly, 100%. Just like fly fishing. Same idea, yeah. All kinds of special tools.
Oh wow, it's super detailed. It's like...
Alright guys, so Shauna will take you see his white chest come out? Yeah.
Okay guys, that was amazing. I had so much fun and I hope you did too. So it's time to go home and let's take a last look to this property. And I definitely recommend every one of you to book an appointment and to come here and enjoy your 2 hours being around birds of prey. Okay guys, bye, see you next time.